recording answers. So as you can see in my OS or in my OS video where I showed you my OS using Python, you saw that I recorded answers, and you might be like, well, how do you do that, Tux? So in today's video, we're going to be telling you how. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is, there's my potato program, but the first thing we're going to do is create a file, whatever you want to call it. I called my vid.py. And open it up in whatever IDE you uses, whatever. And right now, I am just using code, not really an IDE, but... So, basically, we're going to store it as a variable. Let's make the variable called var, short for variable. And it's going to equal whatever the input to what is your name. So, basically, it's saying this variable is equal, so this variable is whatever they put in, or whatever they put in to what is your name. Then, we're going to print hi, and then you're gonna you want to do whatever their name is. So you're gonna put it, instead of putting quotes, because quotes is like, okay, I want you to actually print this out, but we don't want to actually print var out. We want to print the variable var. Like if you want to do, let's say, if you want to do a variable plus variable, or you want to do anything like that, or just variable. You could even do 5 divided by 5, and it would actually do it. So we're going to print hi var. And if we execute it, vid, that's what it's called. Oh, wait. Whoopsies. I'm in the wrong directory. Okay. And if we execute it, it'll ask me for what is my name. I'm gonna put in the Tux guy. Can I do a the Tux guy? And it'll say hi, the Tux guy. And well, that's basically it. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.